Hey guys, so in today's video I will be showing you how to fix the Reddit no sound issue while using the application. So make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow our steps correctly so you can make sure that this method works for you too. So guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do is go to the App Store and download the Reddit application if you haven't already. After doing that, you want to go and register an account or create a new account or log into your existing account depending if you already have one or not. So after doing that, opening the application, here you will be greeted by the main page and you can go on and list where you want to go until you find the video. So go up and down, list your feed, and when finding a video, if you have no sound, then there are a couple options that you can try. The first option, guys, make sure that your internet connection is stable. You have to have a good internet connection, someone audio won't play as it is meant to while playing the video. So make sure you're either on mobile data or Wi-Fi, depending what's faster, and then make sure that you have internet connection which is stable and not and it has a good speed. So guys, the next thing after doing that, if you still don't have sound, then you want to check if your volume is all the way up, because that sometimes happens and you want to make sure that your volume actually is up and you have sound. So go ahead and turn your volume up until you can, as much as you can. If you still can't hear the sound in the video, then you will want to try the next and final step. So guys, as you can see here in the video, while playing this video I have no sound currently, but if we look at the upper lower right corner, we can see that there is a sound icon with an X over it. That's the sign that we want to click. So as you can see, the video is playing without sound, and now I'm going to click that sign at the lower bottom of the corner, and after playing that, you can see now that my video has sound. The sound has turned back on. So this is how you do it. These are the 3 steps that you can try, and this usually works. If this doesn't work, you will just want to go and clear the storage and cache of your application and try again. So guys, thank you for watching, and I hope this was helpful to you. Thank you. Watch our other videos if you need more help. So guys, thank you for watching, and bye.